Is stagflation creeping in? Gold may shine as U.S. equities face a potential meltdown. Stagflation has become a buzzword in recent 2 weeks. The July non-farm payroll report came in unexpectedly weak, and the May and June figures were also revised down. Then last week, the U.S. ISM Services PMI dropped significantly, while the price subindex surged. That's a textbook case of stagflation. Not familiar with the term? Don't worry. Ultima Markets breaks it down for you. Stagflation is a combo of 2 issues, economic stagnation and rising inflation. Imagine this: your salary hasn't increased in years, and you're already cutting back on essentials. That's stagnation. Meanwhile, your favorite beef noodles downstairs just went from $20 to $30 a bowl. That's inflation. In other words, your wallet's shrinking while prices are soaring. Painful, right? Now imagine that on a national level. The economy is stalling, but consumers are still getting hit with rising costs. That's the economic nightmare called stagflation. Now comes the real dilemma: what should the Fed do? They're stuck in a lose-lose situation. Typically, when growth slows, the Fed cuts rates to stimulate the economy. But inflation is already running hot. More rate cuts would be like adding fuel to the fire. Okay, so what about raising rates to tame inflation? That's even worse. The economy's already sputtering like an old engine. Slamming the brakes now could stall it completely, triggering a full-blown recession. So here's the danger of stagflation: it can paralyze central banks. Their usual tools just don't work. That's what makes it so dangerous. The old rulebook, slowing economy equals Fed stimulus equals stock market boom, might no longer apply. Instead, in times of extreme uncertainty, safe havens like gold, which tends to move opposite to other assets, could shine. So if you're trading with Ultima Markets this August, keep a close eye on potential pullbacks in U.S. equities, and don't be surprised if gold stages a major comeback. This is Ultima Markets, helping you see one step ahead. See you next week.